Aloha guys, what's going on? Thanks for coming back to the channel. If you're new, please like and subscribe, and I hope everyone's having an awesome Thursday and a happy Hawaiian holiday. Kamehameha Day for all you other Kanaka Maoli out there in the world. Anyway, I have a good video for you folks today. It's short and sweet, quick and dirty, about KT-Mech and another holster I picked up from them. And yes, I did buy another KT-Mech holster because I was very impressed, and I really like my AKELA holster that I got for my 92 Elite. Check it out on my channel. This one's a little bit different in that it is a AKELA holster, but they're AKELA Light. So this is a light bearing holster. It is passive retention. Unlike the one I got from my Beretta, which is active retention level 2, this is a passive retention system, and the holster retains your firearm around the light. So what that means is that I am able to, and you are able to also, you could throw a Glock 20 in here, a Glock 21. As long as you have a light on your firearm, it's gonna retain it. Speaking of Glock 20s and 21s, so I got this guy for this ridiculous guy here. You might be one of those guys like this guy who went ahead and purchased a Glock 40. And if you don't know, this isn't a Glock 40 caliber, this is a Glock Model 40. It's 10mm and it's gigantic. And then I also went ahead and put a Surefire X300 on here because I thought, why not give people x-ray exams with 10 million photons of energy. But I needed a holster to go with this guy, so that's why I picked this up. A couple things about this holster that I found immediately upon sticking my firearm in it, throwing it on my belt, running around. I haven't gone out to the range, haven't shot with it yet. Construction is very solid. Same thing, just like my last KT-Mech holster. It's real. It's good. These are good. Like I said, I've been using my other one, and I've been in the dirt, been in the mud, rolling around, and it's held up very well. So it's very well constructed. The hardware that they send is very good. The threads go into the Chicago screws real easy. There's no like resistance. Everything's real good. Quick note: when you are mounting your mounting plate or mounting system, so for me this is my QLS fork. The thing about the AKELA holster is that you can put different types of mounting hardware on here: G-Code, Safari Land, Blackhawk, stuff like that. But you'll notice when you get to mounting your forks on, you might see that your screws are not going to line up. Don't freak out, because there are PeaK, or there are holes drilled in here for you to put the Chicago screws through, and you just might not be able to see it, especially if you have a fabric wrap like how I do here. So just be wary of that. Something that I noticed that kind of caught me off guard, and it's not anything against KT-Mech or anything like that. It's just something that kind of caught me off guard a little bit. Is that if you look, it seems like this sweat guard should be like a lot longer, and I wasn't expecting for this holster to accommodate the red dot sight like this, because I'm more familiar with Safari Land. Their RDS holsters kind of have like a pocket that covers your optic, and I was just expecting that. And again, it's nothing against KT-Mech, that was just my own thing. But I would have liked to see this sweat guard going up a little bit higher here. At first I thought like something was going on, it wasn't working, but I checked, and this is bottomed out where it needs to be. The firearm's retained, the trigger's covered, it's safe, and the mag release is covered, and this is how it's supposed to work. So just something to know. If you get this for your Glock 40 and you're looking at it like, this is kind of weird, it sucks. It doesn't suck, it just looks a little funny, but it works. So this firearm retains really well, very smooth. Yeah, retains really well. So anyway, that's a quick video. The AKELA light bearing holster by KT-Mech, another really great holster. Definitely check them out. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you folks have a wonderful day. I hope you guys got something out of this video, and I'll see you folks later. Thanks.